Yeah, you know that only one shower, it's okay per week. I love Ricard, by the way. No! Oh no! My phone is totally broken because of this car, for real, bro.
Hi Lucky One. I'm happy to tell you that I have the solution for your phone. It's a French innovation that called Riz No Shield. Please come with me.
So for this tutorial you need a broken screen phone, the rice of the French brand Riz No Shield, a Tupperware and a fridge.
Firstly, you will put the phone into the Tupperware. Then you will put the rice into it. Then you have to put it into the fridge and wait around 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so now we can recover the smartphone. Okay, let's see the result.
No way! Oh my god! Oh, that's possible!
I just use the Riz No Shield as a solution in my daily life.
Thanks for watching, and guys, leave a comment and like, subscribe, and peace!